Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for WIF price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the daily chart here, we're looking at this impulse toward the upside, finishing a wave A or a wave 1. After both case scenarios, you would like to see 3 corrective waves. Now as you can see here, a zigzag for W, zigzag for X, and a triangle for a wave Y, where we have finished probably 3 waves, and you would like of course to look after an impulse. However, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, and then your wave 4 went very deep, interfering with your wave 1, invalidation of this impulse. Meaning this wave has transformed into a corrective wave, 3 waves toward the upside after 3 waves toward the downside. Meaning, of course, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave C toward the downside. And this is exactly what we had and still unfolding since, of course, our last update for WIF 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We are very close. Of course, it might have finished even a wave 5 where you would like to bottom here for a wave C. However, you did not take the low yet, right? Therefore, something else might still be unfolding probably. In case, of course, we did not finish this correction, it might transform in W, X, and a Y, meaning this impulse toward the downside might be a wave A for a zigzag in a wave Y. And that because this wave has finished almost fast as well and did not reach the low yet. And we have passed only almost the 0.23 fib level taken from the top here and the bottom, of course, of this wave 1. In case we are looking for a wave 2, your wave 2 has to reach at least the 0.38 fib level, which is the common, the less minimum required for a wave 2 in an impulse. Here we go. And for wave 3 here, we have reached the 1.618, so we can remove this. Now, as you can see, we would like as well to hit a wave 5 with those fib levels 0.618, but it's not really necessarily. Now, if we move a little bit on the 1 hour chart, we can see that if this is a wave 5, it might be ended or invalidated. Because we have here 1, 2. If this is your wave 3 and this is your wave 4 has invalidated this impulse toward the downside. Therefore, preferably that your wave 5 has finished somehow here, of course, in an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So basically, as we said, based on the information that we have here, we did not reach the 0.38 yet. And we did not, of course, reach the fib level for really wave 5 for an impulse. So much higher possibility right now is that this might transform into an A, a B, and a C, bigger correction as a zigzag, I would say. And this is what we are looking at after like a correction, wave B and C. Here we go. And this will finish it as W, X, and Y. Now, if we take the time required for a wave 2 here, if we take this time taken from the wave 1 here, for a wave 2, you can see that, we have passed it already so far, for a wave 2. Here we go. So basically, it has to move toward the upside and continuation, of course, at least to hit the 1-to-1 fib level taken from here to the top, which is, of course, a linear fib level here. But this did not happen. Therefore, I think that the things might still range a little bit. In case this is an impulse and finished kind of like here, kind of like ABC toward the upside, and we are impulsive, therefore, of course, anyway, we need to see higher prices as we see this leg toward the upside, but it's going to be corrective as well. So in both case scenarios, I would say a correction, 3 waves toward the upside is very, very recommended. Now, in case we are in a zigzag for a wave B or in a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or even a zigzag ABC. So we're gonna see what scenario it can unfold. Now, the fib levels required or the targets for a wave 2, let's say, or a wave B, preferably, of course, this zone, at least the 2.555 and 2.1, right, for a wave B in case you are in zigzag. this is a perfect area for both scenario. So yeah, that was it for WIF. Basically, a little bit higher prices, maybe a little bit low again after an impulse. Of course, the trend tells us still moving toward the downside. We did not reach the low, and we probably have to take the low, at least the 0.38 fib level, and a little bit lower preferably. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.